I'll be showing you how to disable the selfie beauty mode or smoothing of your selfies on the Galaxy S24. So this is very simple. Just go to the camera app and go into selfie mode, and then tap on this icon in the top right corner, this one right here, this yellow one. Tap on it and then choose face at the top there, and then you should see smoothness. Okay, and this is what is adding beauty mode or smoothing of your face during selfies. Okay, so you can turn it all the way to 0, or you can just turn all this stuff off by tapping on this on button. Currently it's on because it says on because it's on. If you tap on it, it's gonna say off, and that's going to turn off all the face smoothing. Okay, so to disable, just make sure that says off. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.